So I have my gaming keyboard and mouse combo here. You'll notice right away that it's multiple colors, especially the mouse. What the mouse does is it actually cycles through all the different colors. It almost looks like a scene from Tron. I think it's pretty cool. It's all lit up through here right now. Of course, it's green. The mouse is programmable and it has DPI up to 7200. Now the keyboard and the mouse, they do plug into a USB-A port on the computer. Of course, we got multiple colors through here. You can always turn off the colors at any time if you want to by hitting this key. I'll just turn it off. And then we also have several shortcut keys. Up here, we can do email, searches, calculator. Then over here, it's all the media keys. Pause, stop, fast forward, turn off your speaker. Of course, we got a full-size keypad right through here. And then we also have 19 anti-ghosting keys. Now, if you did spill anything through here on the keyboard, on the bottom side here, we actually have drainage holes right through here. And you can actually adjust the angle with these little levers right here. And we have non-skid pads right here on the bottom side to make it easier to use. And just put it at the right angle. It's got quite a few features. I love the colors, and it does come with a mouse, which makes it so much easier. Hope you found this review helpful.